guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Monday, November 10th, and I have just finished filming a hair video where I was sharing the final results of using this product. This is seriously good. This is Carol's daughter. I'm telling you, it's Mimosa Hair Honey, and it is all the rage. That's what I did when I got this look. With just Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner and Carol's daughter. And I just did a twist out. This is it. But guys, let me tell you, in the DIY, I've got to show you what my outfits, how they came out. And in another video, I'm going to do the looks that you can accomplish with 3 pieces that are tie-dye. But for right now, I just wanted to share with you how this came out. Okay, so this is the little top. Is this not adorable? This is the top that I absolutely love the style of this Fashion Nova top. It's in a small. It was white when I bought it. And I have worn it, I would say, at least a couple of years. And it had gone from nice crispy white to a dingy type of white. And I was like, I love the style and shape of this. What can I do to keep wearing this top through the winter? And I said, do it in black. And I dyed it with a black. As you saw me, I used this black azabache. This must be Italian. Azabache, negro, algodón. This was cotton. Guys, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at the pattern that the tie-dye gave it. And it's a gray pattern. And I am all in for the gray. I'm all in for letting the gray stay. You know what I mean? I'm like, I'm not going to be dyeing my gray. My gray is coming out on the sides and a little bit in the top, but yes, over the ears. And I'm like, you've got to find a way, Claudia, to be at peace and at one with that gray. You know? So I'm going to do a video called Let the Gray Stay. And this is a perfect gray to go with the gray wig that I got. I got at least 2 gray wigs. I'm like, I'm fabulous. 62, sizzling fine, and fabulous. Boo. What? What? You didn't get the memo? Is this not adorable? Okay, so that's one. Guys, this is a white shirt, just a Hanes white shirt that I love. And it was getting a little dingy. And I have lots of white shirts, but I like this one. It's just the nice length and size, everything. So I was like, how do I keep wearing this? This is how you do it. Is that not a beautiful pattern on this tie-dye shirt? Look at the back. Just plain, it's like somebody purposely sat down and created all of these designs in here. This is so beautiful. If you want to keep clothes and keep them vibrant and lively and you love them, don't throw them away. Tie-dye that. Tie-dye them. This is so cute. So I'm going to take these 3 pieces and create some looks together and with other pieces and show you how I could make a week with these. My sister was like, how are you going to do that with 3 pieces? Mix and match. Mix and match. Now, these Fashion Nova pants, oh my goodness, the tie-dye came out absolutely amazing. Let me show you these. These are the Shine Star Fashion Nova, made in Vietnam. But I got these from Fashion Nova. But these are so cute. Look at that. it makes me want to do some things with some more pieces than tie-dye. Just like get some white pieces that I really like and get creative. That is so beautiful. It's like, was that in the pattern? Where did you get that? Look at the back. So beautiful. And I'm not going to show you in the vlog, in this part of the vlog, how this looks until I get ready to go on Instagram or to make that video on how I'm going to mix and match these. And I will show you how I style these pieces, shoe game, and all. This is so cute. Wow. Look at the bottom. I got black pumps too. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Look at this little top. I like this. Even though my boobies are like probably bigger than what is supposed to be in this top. But I said, I like this top. And my boobs have gone down since I have lost some weight that I had earlier when I was showing you when I did this. And I had like boobs like everywhere. Now I'm like, okay. And I've been monitoring what I eat. And I have been fasting at a certain time of the day, trying to drink more water or drinking more water, not trying smoothies. So I'm like, yes, Claudia, you can do it. You can do it. So these come with like a little part that clasps in the seat, a little bodysuit. And I got these from this top from a friend of mine. She was like, I have a top that I don't wear. I'm not sure if she gave it away because of the way it fits in the front. And then to wear a bra with it might have given it a different look if you had seen the straps. But maybe a wraparound bra one day, or panels over the, or pads over the nipples would give this a different look. But I like this. So thanks, Deb. I like this top. And then you can see how this goes, like right here. There we go. So you always got to keep your posture, keep yourself pulled in here, stand up straight. You know, you got to have your pose game on. You don't want to be slumped and humped. You just keep it up, stand it up. So I'm good with the size of my boobs. I'm going to be going down further. I don't know how much I weigh now, but I haven't seen a scale in ages, but when I pop on one, I will let you know. But I do have a surprise for you. You'll see it in the vlog. It's going to be even better. So this physique, you'll see it later. Ah. Okay? Okay, guys. I know I need to be filming something else. I don't know if it's going to be something for the vlog or, oh, I am so happy for the change in our country's political climate and the win. Thank you, countrymen, for joining with me to elect, with me and everyone else here, other people here who voted for President-elect Joe Biden. Yes, I'm so proud of you, Vice President-elect Kamala Harris. You go, girl. Yes, yes, yes. A change. Change is good. We need change. Especially a change that's embracing and that allows us to hopefully work together to be great, to work towards greatness again, because that specious greatness we had was like, oh my gosh, we can't do any more with that. Oh goodness. So I'm thinking, oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to, in the vlog tonight, I'm going upstairs and I'm going to make a hot toddy. I'm going to take you with me because I've had like sniffles, runny nose, And I think it's a change in the season, but I want to make sure I nip it in the bud. So I'm feeling really good. I do have not a scratchy throat, a little, kind of like a little leftover residual hoarseness in here because I'm not really hearing myself as I normally would. I sound like I have just the overcast of a cold. But thanks to my sister again who told me about this product, but she reminded me, girl, if your throat is scratchy, and it was scratchy just like 2 nights ago, she was like, don't forget, salt in warm water, gargle, hit it every time you think about it. That scratchy throat is history, and let me tell you, it was, and it got rid of it in one tall tumbler of heated, warm, salty water. I was like, go girl. So then one night I had just like constantly postnasal drip and runny nose, but I prepared some soup. Layla helped me prepare, she was my little sous chef. We prepared some vegetable soup. Last night I had some of that with a little bit of wheat bread. That was so good, it was so good. And I had a bit of blackberry Manischewitz wine. Took me to bed. I was like, okay girl, this is it. And tonight I'm going to go up and have some leftovers and let you see how I'm going to do my first hot toddy on the vlog. So if you've never done a hot toddy, because you're a hot hottie and you don't think you need a hot toddy, you might. Because we're changing with the weather in a pandemic, with a virus floating through like what? Let's get this hot toddy popping. Okay guys, come on, let's go. Let's go.